Hi, this is just a short, funny video. I went to the Beaulieu American and hot rod car show, as you would have seen in the previous video, with my son Greg and his son Ellis, my grandson. And I forgot all about this, but he wanted to take charge of one of my GoPros, so I let him, and this is what he filmed. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, because you would have filmed things.
Look, Grandad's car.
Yeah, but you've got to look. Look, see, there's a sign there. Look, see the blue sign.
No, that's
It is a blue sign. Maybe the sign.
Just.
I'll do it. Nobody else.
She's.
Is it still on? Is it? Look, there's a cobra. Remember last time we came? There was a cobra like almost in front. It's almost like deja vu. Because he had a YouTube thing on, didn't he?
Look, Dada. Look, Dada.
What?
Car. Look there.
Yeah, look at that car. That car there. Look at the cars.
Look there.
Yeah, let's look at the cars. No camping, no green. No fishing. Yeah, that's the same car. That is the same bloody car. It's got the GoPro on it.
Yeah, it is, yeah, weird.
We're in a different car, but they're in the same one. Isn't that odd? What's the chances?
Yeah, coming in the exact same way.
Yeah. It's just impossible odds, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look, there's a sign. Show the sign. Show the sign, look. Let me give it up. Goodness knows what you're going to be filming.
Oh, the car.
The bus and the roof and the van.
Wrong.
You're supposed to be looking at the cars. Instead of helping.
Oh,
TV
good.
not far behind us now. Give it a minute. Please. I want to film out the window. The cars. Please. Please. Come on.
Ta. Yep. Ellis, give it that.
Which way do we go?
That's it. Baby, good boy. Well done.
Then you put it 200 around this side. What have you done? You've changed something. You zoomed in or whatever. It's solid. Can you have it back? That thing's not going to yeah, because we came through there last time.
Yeah, it's around.
Where are we going now? Yes, I'm in an American vehicle.
Look, Grandad. Look, Grandad.
Oh, it's just straight down, yeah? Alright. Yeah, it's
Oh,
this side.
sorry.
Come on in. Don't know what he's doing. Got that one. Yeah, and then on there.
Look there. Look. Look, it's cars. Look. Look there. Look there. Look.
Cheers.
Look, DeLorean.
Where?
Go back to the picture.
Thank you very much.
Turn off on the map.
It's Murdoch.
Look, police car.
Murdoch.
Hey.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Over there.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Right next to the hot rod.
Look, Grandad
Yeah,
tractor.
Got you.
Another DeLorean.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Roll down.
You're in now.
Hello, Grandad.
Hey, monkey.
Hello.
Right there. How are
Hello,
you?
Grandad.
Hello, Grandad.
Look, Dada. Good soap. Thank you, Grandad. Thank you, Grandad. Paul. Very hot.
Hmm?
Thank you, Grandad.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Turn it off now.